Already slowly cracking here. It's not the one we want though. We got to get a little bit deeper. Break up some of that inflammation. There it is. Your lady was a nurse too, right?
Yeah, no, she's a nursing student. Yeah,
nursing student. Gotcha. She like interning at your hospital?
something like
Something like that, yeah.
I gotta bring my whole family.
Yeah, seriously. Here we go. All right, roll ya.
Oh,
That was it.
whoa.
Wow, that was deep. Just kind of want to hold that one right there. That was.
Yeah, for sure.
Woo.
Oh, yes.
Woo. Better even it out, huh?
Right.
Let's see.
Oh.
Wow. Did you feel that in your hip too?
That was solid. Right
That was a lot of hip.